Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss that if you have recently applied for the in-stream ad monetization on Facebook and it is under review, it is like more than 2 weeks and you're not getting any reply from Facebook. So what exactly is the problem? So in today's video I will show you 2 Facebook pages of mine. One of them is under review and I'm not getting any reply from Facebook. So what exactly is the problem and why you should not be worried if you're not getting any reply as well. So the first thing that I will open the Facebook application. Once you do so, I will go to the first page. I will switch the page from here and I will show you that I have applied a long time ago. I will access the menu of the page first and then go to professional dashboard. From here, I will tap on monetization. And here, as you can see, if I tap on the in-ad stream, your application is being reviewed. Thank you for submitting your application. And they will come back to me. They say that within the next 2 weeks, but it's been more than 2 months now that I'm not getting any reply from them. So what exactly is the problem? I will go back and switch to a new page that I just created. I will tap on the menu icon here, go to the professional dashboard, and then I will tap on the monetization option. So here they say that you are not eligible for in-stream, but if I tap on that one, they say new application for in-stream ads are paused. So you can experience in-ad stream ads, ads on Reels, and performance bonus is a unified monetization program. So guys, Facebook actually changed its monetization policy. Now all these things, the ads on Reels, in-stream ads, and performance bonuses will be unified monetization program. So you don't have to apply for it one by one or separately. And as you can see, I already submitted for it. So you can go to your page on the Facebook and you can come to the same place and then just send an application. You say that I am interested. So that means that Facebook will reply to you, will contact you if they think that you are eligible for this unified monetization program. So guys, one more thing that I want to show you, if you tap on the menu again and from here you go to creator support, and from here you need to tap on monetization. And once you tap on monetization, they say program eligibility, and here I will ask you to tap on the program eligibility and you go to in-stream ads. So once you tap on that one, as I already told you that I submitted, but if you scroll down a bit, you will find that as of October 2024, we will no longer be accepting application for in-stream ads on Facebook because we are building a simplified creator monetization program, Facebook content monetization. This experience merges our in-stream ads, ads on Reels, and performance bonus program into one, making it easier for creator to earn from multiple content formats. So they have not issued that one for everyone yet, but if you go down a bit, we are sending invitation to join the Facebook content monetization beta and will continue to do so in the following months. While the beta will remain invitation only until 2025, you can express interest in this form. So all you need to do is to tap on this form and you need to fill the form there and you will show your interest that I am interested in in-stream ads, not only, but the whole program, which will be the content monetization program. So guys, that way now you can apply for the new monetization policy of Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.